So here I am in the 2020 Nissan NV3500 4-wheel drive conversion van. Extremely quiet, very comfortable. This particular van has a 3-inch lift on it, bigger tires and wheels. It does have a little bit more road noise than you would get normally. It's very quiet and very comfortable. One of the cool things about the Nissan 4-wheel drive kit that we put underneath this, it's directly off a Nissan Titan. The shift knob, the way that it works, all the components, the electronics, that's all Nissan stuff. Down here, I have got the 2-wheel drive and the 4 high, and then I have the 4 low. So I'm driving along right now, and I'm going about 20-25 miles an hour. And let's just say, for instance, that the road gets a little bit more compromised ahead. All I have to do is just switch that thing over. And now I'm in 4-wheel drive. And to go back into 2-wheel drive, I just switch it back. There's a little beep that happens, and then the indicator comes on the dash to let me know that I'm in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. So really, really convenient, very easy to do. If you're driving along, not certain how to stick it in 4-wheel drive, all you have to do is just click it up to 4 high, the little beep goes off. The factory 4-wheel drive light is now on, that's on the dash. It lights up in red to let us know that we're in 4-wheel drive, and to kick it off, I just move that over. The light just went off and the little beep just sounded. So now I'm back in 2-wheel drive. But just a really comfortable van. See the country, great for families and for vacations. Very comfortable, very smooth, very quiet. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the passing power on this. I'm going up Harley Summit right now, and I'm behind a big semi. I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas. Gets up to speed really quick. That big V8. Great power in the van. It's very responsive, very powerful. It's got plenty of torque, passing and for towing and for having all your gear. If I had the 12 people that could fit in this van, I'm certain that I could still have that much torque and power getting up and about. To find out more information about your Nissan NVP 4-wheel drive van, contact us here at Tim Daly Nissan Southtown. Tim Daly Nissan, we get you moving.